The BMAG Project. Content creation at its finest. Follow us on YouTube, Rumble, and Steam.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So what am I leave? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
Hey there, friends of the BMAG Project, and welcome to the premiere of our first episode of Learning Languages with Kev, modern standard Hindi taught by the world of PC. In this brand new series that you guys can find only and exclusively here on our The BMAG Project channel, I'm presenting helpful common small talk phrases in various languages for you to learn, so that you guys will be prepared for special occasions when it comes to understanding foreign languages. For example, when visiting other countries as tourists, or when meeting new people from abroad on the internet. This first episode here covers common Hindi conversation phrases that were taught to me by the world of PC, who's an Indian native speaker by the way, via real personal voice chat, and I'm happy to reproduce them to you. Alright then friends, unlike pretty much of all our other videos, this time don't grab some snacks but a notepad and a pen and enjoy learning and speaking and writing down Hindi with me and the world of PC.
Somebody like me, when you ask my name, I panic. So what am I leaving? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
Hello. Hello or namaste. 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 Yes. Ji or Hanji. Ji, Hanji. Ji, Hanji. No. Nahi. 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 My name is Kevin. And what is your name? मेरा नाम केविन है. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम केविन है. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम केविन है. आपका नाम क्या है? Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. How are you? आप कैसे हो? आप कैसे हो? आप कैसे हो? I'm fine, thank you for asking. मैं ठीक हूँ पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. मैं ठीक हूँ पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. मैं ठीक हूँ पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. I'd like to have a tea, please. मुझे कृपया एक चाय दीजिए. मुझे कृपया एक चाय दीजिए. मुझे कृपया एक चाय दीजिए. Excuse me, but I don't understand Hindi very well. Could you repeat it in English, please? माफ कीजिए, मुझे हिंदी अच्छे से समझ नहीं आती. आप इंग्लिश में दोहरा सकते हैं. माफ कीजिए, मुझे हिंदी अच्छे से समझ नहीं आती. आप इंग्लिश में दोहरा सकते हैं. माफ कीजिए, मुझे हिंदी अच्छे से समझ नहीं आती. आप इंग्लिश में दोहरा सकते हैं. Goodbye and have a nice day. अलविदा, आपका दिन मंगलमय हो. अलविदा, आपका दिन मंगलमय हो. अलविदा, आपका दिन मंगलमय हो. Thank you all for watching, friends, and till next time.
You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody somebody like me.
Like me, when you ask my name, I panic. So what am I leaving?